Zephira wiped tears from her exhausted eyes. Her father had passed years ago, completely. The luxury hotel suite sparkled, perfectly clean. Her blonde hair fell loosely around shoulders. At 23, she carried burdens alone. 3 double shifts this week had drained. "Dad, I will keep your promise alive," she whispered to his memory softly. Her culinary school books lay beneath towels. The cleaning cart held her secret hope. Mother's cancer treatments were getting more expensive. 11-year-old brother needed school supplies urgently. Zephira's eyes grew heavy with overwhelming fatigue. The golden silk bed looked impossibly inviting. Just 5 minutes of rest, she thought. Her father's voice echoed within her heart. "Dreams are lights that never fade, daughter." Calix Vaughn strode through hotel corridors confidently. At 33, his tech empire commanded. Dark hair perfectly styled, navy suit impeccable. Business meetings had ended 2 hours early. Years of betrayal, not just by his wife but his closest friend, had left walls around his heart like concrete barriers. His breath caught seeing the sleeping woman. Blonde hair spread across his silk pillows. Her uniform suggested hotel cleaning staff member. Most people feared his powerful presence completely, yet she slept peacefully, looking genuinely innocent. Zephira's eyes fluttered open slowly, meeting piercing. Panic flooded her face as reality hit. She scrambled upright, smoothing wrinkled uniform desperately. "I am so sorry, Mr. Vaughn," she stammered breathlessly with genuine fear showing. "Please do not take my job away." Calix studied her with curious fascination instead. "Most people in my world never dare. Yet here you sleep like you belong. You remind me that authenticity still exists." Zephira's chin lifted with quiet dignity proudly. "I belong wherever I need to survive, even if only for one more day. My family depends on my strength alone." Something stirred deep within Calix's guarded heart. Her honesty cut through his usual skepticism. This woman seemed refreshingly authentic and genuine. Over following weeks, their paths crossed frequently. Zephira left small touches of kindness everywhere. Perfectly arranged flowers, homemade cookies on nightstand. Calix began extending his hotel stays longer. Their conversations grew longer, more personal, gradually. "I work 2 jobs, study at night," Zephira shared one evening, quietly and tearfully. "Yet I still believe in impossible dreams. Dad taught me that hope survives, even when everything else seems lost." Calix leaned forward, genuinely moved by her. "That fire, your unwavering determination amazes me. It heals wounds I thought were permanent." Trust grew slowly between these unlikely souls. Calix discovered Zephira's culinary genius through tastes. She created magic with simple hotel ingredients. Her pastries rivaled 5-star restaurant dessert menus. The charity gala needed emergency replacement chef. Zephira stepped forward despite her obvious nervousness. Her desserts received standing ovations from guests. Local food critics praised her innovative techniques. Calix watched from the ballroom shadows with pride. After the gala, Calix arranged investor meetings. He guided her through detailed business planning, ensuring her talent could grow into sustainable. Her dreams deserved proper foundation and support, not charity, but genuine business opportunity development. Months of mentorship and planning followed carefully. Zephira learned business fundamentals while perfecting recipes. Calix provided guidance, not romantic pursuit entirely. 2 wounded souls found healing together slowly. Zephira opened her boutique bakery successfully later. Sweet Dreams Bakery employed struggling single mothers. The community embraced her vision of hope. Calix had learned to trust again completely. At the grand opening ceremony, Zephira addressed, "We all deserve chances to succeed together. Papa always said kindness grows when shared. Today, we plant seeds of hope." Calix approached her with genuine admiration shining. watching you turn hope into beautiful reality. I have never admired anyone more deeply. And you taught me that broken hearts can still choose to believe again, Zephyra replied with tears of gratitude flowing. Two broken souls had found their purpose, not through romance, but through authentic friendship. Sometimes the greatest love is simply believing. Believing someone deserves their dreams to flourish. In that sacred belief, we discover ourselves.